Hello, my name is Janelle Jackson and I am a Recreational Service Supervisor for the County of Los Angeles Department of Parks and Recreation. Welcome to our Parks from Home. Today we will be learning how to make a simple and fast pumpkin mask. In order to do this, we will need a few things. You will need popsicle sticks, a straw, glue stick, a medium-sized cap, black and green markers, tape, 5x7 black construction paper, scissors, and an orange paper plate. Now, let's get started. The first thing that you will do is you will take your cap and you will place on your paper plate. Using your black marker, you will trace the cap. This is giving you your eyes for your mask. Once you're done with that, you're going to take your black 5x7 black construction paper and you're going to form the mouth. The mouth can be at any way you want it. It can be like teeth, or you can have it with an open mouth or closed mouth. So in order to do that, you want to fold your 5x7 in half. You want to start on the edges of your paper and make little bitty mountains, just like that. See how your little mountains coming in and you're forming your teeth? And this will give you the teeth for your mask. Once you're done with that, you can pull these out. You can cut it in half, and it's up to you on how you want it. I think I want mine to be a small little teeth. And I don't want his mouth to be open, so I'm going to cut these off. And I'll place this here, and this will give me my mask, my teeth. You can glue this on with your glue stick. And so far, this is what it's looking like. After you're done with that, you want to be able to cut the eyes out. That's one of your eyes. Cut your eyes. This is what it looks like so far. After that, let's place a nose on him. The nose can be either a square, or it can be a beak, or it can be a triangle, whichever way. I think I'm going to go with the square nose. Place his nose on. Turn your paper plate over. You want to take your straw, tape it to the back right between the eyes. And this will give you the handle. You don't need a lot of tape in doing this either. You can put one strip of tape here, one strip here so it won't slide. We're on our way. After you do that, you want to be able to take your popsicle stick and your green marker. You want to color just the top of the pepper, just the top of the popsicle stick. And this is going to be used as your stem. You color it in, turn it over. You make sure that the green side is facing the front of your pumpkin. And you also, or you can even break it, just like that. And you tape it down. And this will stick up over the top. And this will be your stem. Now, guess what? You have just created a quick and fast Halloween pumpkin mask. Thank you and subscribe.